All right, here we go. Cold start on the Z. What?
You should be recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
All right.
I'm just, maybe I'll edit it. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll show.
Yeah, keep it live.
Keep it live. Yeah, okay. Clutch, neutral, pump. One, two, three. Hmm.
Give us some gas. Give us some gas.
Come on, baby. Ooh, sounds a little cold. Cold start. Got no choke on this, so I gotta hold it and wait a few minutes. Yeah. So that's cold start on the Z. Maybe I'll add it in, but we're taking it for a drive later, so maybe. Oh, come on, baby. I know it's cold out. Let's pull it. Okay, here we go. Here we go, we're backing up. It's really tight in here. Let's get it outside. Running. Oh. I think it's gonna quit. Not revving very high. Hang on to that.
Mine was revving at $2,000.
Well, that's because the choke was on. Let it warm up. Cold start. That's out in the winter.
January.
Middle of January.
Middle of January.
You didn't clean the rubber off there. That's terrible. Only way to get that rubber off, guys, is gasoline. That's the only way you get the rubber off the quarter. Wax, everything else. Gasoline works the best. Just keep wiping.
Yep, I'll have to get a set of those in the spring.
Yeah. All right, guys. Quick video. Maybe I'll pull the hood. Let's have a look. Want to hang on to that for a minute, Rob? Oh! Jeez. Oh, it quit. All right, guys. Like, share, subscribe. We're getting there. Take care. Woo! It's running. It's coming out.